Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do a chlorine test at home. Maintaining proper chlorine levels is crucial for healthy water, preventing issues like algae and bacteria. You can choose from convenient test strips, more precise liquid drop kits, or advanced digital testers. Whichever method you select, carefully follow the manufacturer's instructions for accurate readings. This simple process helps keep your water sparkling and safe for everyone. Performing the test is straightforward. First, collect a water sample from the deeper part of your pool, about 18 inches down, to get a representative reading. If using a test strip, simply dip it into the water and remove it quickly. For liquid kits, add the specified number of drops of each reagent to your water sample. Then, allow the recommended time, usually 15 to 30 seconds, for the colors to fully develop. Once the colors have developed, compare them to the color chart provided with your kit. This will show your free chlorine level, which is the active sanitizer. The ideal range for free chlorine is typically between 1 and 3 parts per million. You'll also want to check for combined chlorine, which should be as close to 0 as possible, ideally below 0.5 parts per million, to avoid strong odors and irritation. If your chlorine levels are too low, simply add more of your chosen chlorine product, following the dosage instructions carefully. If levels are too high, stop adding chlorine and remove any pool covers to allow sunlight to naturally break it down. You can also dilute the water by partially draining and refilling. Always retest your water after making any adjustments to ensure it's balanced and safe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.